భూమిపై పెట్టుబడి పెట్టడం అంటే మన ఇంట సిరులు పంట పండించుకున్నట్లే. హలో వీవర్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వెంకటరెడ్డి నర్రెడ్డి. వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ రియోఫిల్ లివింగ్ హోమ్స్ అండ్ ఇన్ఫ్రా, ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ వెంచర్ discovered by Srikaram Farms Private Limited, Hyderabad, an exclusive 100 acres villa open plat venture at Srisalam Highway near Mucharla village, which is very near to upcoming fourth city or future city designed for modern living. Starting at 18,000 rupees per square yard, plots begins from 200 square yards to 1000 square yards. Backed by fully legal approval, HMDA limits and RERA certification. Ideally located in just 23 minutes from Tukkugoda ORR exit number 14 and 25 minutes drive from upcoming regional ring road. Ensuring seamless connectivity, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Shamshabad in just 25 minutes. Top corporate hubs like Amazon Data Center, eCity, FabCity, Foxconn and GMR Aerocity. And premium schools, medical institutes within just 35 minutes. Experience crucial luxury 50 plus amenities, 24/7 security was compliant flats, grand clubhouse, sports courts, jogging tracks, outdoor meditation and wellness spaces like spas and stream baths. Enjoy community living with a convention center. Invest in a future of convenience, wellness and growth. Don't wait to buy and wait. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you, one and all.